Hello, Sharif Medawar here, and I want to share with you my latest book, $1 Million Recipes to Real Estate Wealth. This book is going to give you the most powerful way to make money. One of the best ways to make money is to understand how to flip real estate, how to buy and sell real estate. And I have some very valuable information here, how I made millions. I started being a hotel manager. My career was going into this corporate America type of thing, and then it completely got changed. I rewrote my destiny. And let me tell you, in this book, you're going to see exact step-by-step how to get started. Even if you have no background in real estate whatsoever, I show you step-by-step how to get started. I show you how to understand your market, the local market right in your own backyard, and how you can understand the trends and how you can identify the best deals. I have a whole chapter about understanding the exit strategies. Do you know how to exit? Do you know that the most important thing when you flip properties is to know what buyers want, what they're looking for out there, and how to position your property to be able to resell it at the fastest possible time and in the highest possible dollars. I'll walk you through an actual real estate deal, the anatomy of a real estate deal. You will see exactly how it works. You will see how to get tenants if you want to actually keep the property and rent it, and how to get the best possible cash flow on the property to refinance and cash out your money. I show you how to actually identify the proper dollar figures before you get into a property. How to actually talk to sellers. There is a way, a syntax to sell a property without selling it, by educating buyers why this is the best deal for them. I show you how to control the entire negotiation process through the proper paperwork. Simple contracts, yet very powerful. I also show you the entire thing from A to Z, how it gets wrapped up, that you do it playfully. You do it and have fun with it, with the lowest possible risk. I also give you 3 bonus chapters right here. Chapter 1 is about creating notes. How do you sell a property and become the seller carryback? How do you create that income without having to worry about tenants, without having to worry about toilets, fixing anything? You become the bank. You sell the property, you carry the note, whether it's the first note or the second note, you carry your profit. It defers your gains. I have an entire section and chapter right here about powerful tax advantages. Some of the most creative tax advantages that most people don't even know about. You will learn them, you'll be able to practice them, you will check with your CPA and propose things to them so they can actually help you succeed and get all your profit and compound the results. Also, I will show you how to actually share the profits and grow by creating an asset protection. You want to protect your properties. You want to protect your assets. So when you build success and when you build cash flow, you maintain it and you grow it, and then you pass it on to your loved ones. The book is called $1 Million Recipes to Real Estate Wealth, and it's available for you to take you to the next level. This is Sharif Medawar. I'm the author, I'm the teacher, I'm a hedge fund manager. Thank you for listening. Do not delay. Go ahead and click the link to change your financial future using my $1 Million Recipes to your real estate wealth. I will not only ship the book to you, but right now I will email you an audio version of the book and an ebook so you can immerse yourself in it and take your game to the next level.